Hello and welcome back again. Today I have 5 things that will improve a better understanding of art.
Numéro 1.
Number 1 is everything is sharp. Every time we try to paint something or draw something and you look at the edges, everybody try to make things sharp. And the problem with that is you make everything coming forward. And instead, it should be 3 types of edges. As a beginner, first it's the sharp edges. Anything sharp is gonna come forward to us. We're gonna look at it. So 3 edges. The first one is the sharp one. It's the objects that are close to us. Second is the soft edge. Soft edge is just gonna move away from us, from our view. And the lost edges when everything has been lost in the edge and it's very far away.
Numéro 2.
Number 2 is what to draw and what to paint. So this is an important one because everybody thinking every day what to do, what to draw, and what to paint, what kind of reference I'm going to take. I don't know. There are many ways so you can actually find references, and it's copyright free. Pixabay, Pixels, and Splash.com. All these websites will provide you many sources and references that you can look at and select one thing to practice drawing or painting. Or just go around your house, outside in the street, see a landscape and draw objects around you. All that will help you develop your skills.
Numéro 3.
Number 3 is why my painting is muddy. Muddy happens when you use one brush and you do your shadows and then you use the same brush to take some of the light area colors and then you go use it. And then what you did is actually transferring some of the shadow areas colors to the light areas. To solve that, you need to use 2 different brushes, one for the shadow areas and one for the light areas, so you don't mix the both. The same thing happened when they call it chalky, is when the painting has some of the light areas colored and then you add it to the shadows. So it's the same thing but the opposite way.
Numéro 4.
Number 4 is how to draw the second eye. So I know when you start drawing and you draw the eyes, it's just one note. Do not draw the eye completely and then you move to the second one. You have to put the placement of both of them and add shadows to both of them and then the details later. Do not completely finish one eye and then you move to the second one.
Numéro 5.
And now we are on number 5, and the last one is being stuck in one art style. So my advice to you, look into different art styles, experiment with many mediums, watercolors, oil colors, acrylics, ink, just to practice on paper, on canvas, on cloth, on anything. Look into different artists like abstract expressionism. Look into Pat Steer, Mark Rothko, William de Kooning, and others. Look into these artists and understand why they mix their colors that way, how they did it, why they chose to paint that way, and why it's famous, why people like it and other people don't. So that will give us more information about their life, about their experiments, about the time that they chose actually to move into another art style. Collect all these information. It will help you to develop a better understanding of art. That's all I got for you today. Please keep painting, keep practicing, and I will see you next time.